Yeah, you are given this question, rationalize the denominator and simplify this expression. So, what we mean by rationalize the denominator, we are asked to consider this denominator is an irrational, is irrational. So therefore, you are asked to change it from irrational to rational number. So for us to be able to do this is for us to do what? To multiply this denominator, the irrational form, by the conjugate of this. The conjugate of this irrational here is another irrational that when you multiply both of them, you change the irrational to what? Rational number. So the conjugate of 2 minus 3 sub 5 is 2 plus 3 sub 5. So we can see the sign changes. That's another thing that is changing. So from there, we use it to multiply both the numerator and denominator of this very expression. So this will be sub 5 over 2 minus 3 sub 5 times 2 plus 3 sub 5 over 2 plus 3 sub 5. So I will use this to multiply everything here. That's sub 5 times 2 plus 3 sub 5. You do the same thing. Use this to multiply everything here. 2 open bracket 2 sub 2 3 sub 5. Use this other one minus 3 sub 5 to multiply everything here. 2 plus 3 sub 5. I hope you are following. Now, sub 5 times 2, we have 2 sub 5, then sub 5 times plus 3 sub 5. Remember, sub 5 times 3 sub 5. This is sub 5 is a conjugate of sub 5. When sub 5 multiplies sub 5, that's going to be 5. So therefore, that means you have 3 times what? 5, which is 15. So in this case, we have 3 sub 5 times 3 sub 5. That would be 3 times what? Times 5. So over, we have the next thing is 2 times 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 sub 5 going to be 6 sub 5. Same here, minus 3 sub 5 times 2 will still be minus 6 sub 5. Finally, minus 3 times 3 sub minus 3 sub 5 times 3 sub 5. This minus will still be there. Minus and plus is minus. Minus will be there. So 3 times 3 is 9. And sub 5 times sub 5 is what? 5. I hope you understood. Just like we did here. Minus 3 sub 5 times 3 sub 5. So minus remains. 3 times 3 is what? 9. Sub 5 times sub 5 is what? 5. So from there, we now have 2 sub 5 plus 15 all over. Here, 6 sub 5 minus 6 sub 5 is gone. That is 0. It's gone. So therefore, we now have 4 minus 9 times 5 is what? 45. 45. So therefore, we now have 2 sub 5 plus 15 all over 4 minus 45 is what? That's minus what? 41 minus 41. So therefore, you can finally express it as minus 2 over 41 sub 5 plus, sorry, because it's still minus 15 over 41, sorry. So either you keep it this way, or you can keep it this way, minus 1 over 41 into 2 sub 5 plus 15. So it's still correct putting it either way. So that is all. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Maths Time. If you didn't subscribe for more of this, and as well share it to friends and family to follow. Thank you very much once again.